Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways. Heavenly Price Prediction is an altcoin cryptographic cash trading under the picture XLM. The altcoin ended up being especially popular following the 2022 crypto exposure bubble, causing it to enter the best 10 computerized monetary forms by market cap and become one of the most trusted crypto assets across the market. XLM has since lost its place inside the best 10 due to having a horrendous appearance throughout the latest 2 years of the computerized cash bear market. Of late, in any case, Stellar Lumens has started to show strong execution, and by giving craving to monetary benefactors that it will show up at one of the various Stellar Lumens cost assumptions that experts have made all through the long haul. This guide means to give all that through and through specific examination to key assessment to learn about Stellar Lumens expanded advancement, as well as recommendation cost assumptions from finance industry trained professionals. Before the completion of the helper, you'll have an all the more clear perspective on how high would Stellar Lumens have the option to go, and if the altcoin called Stellar Lumens is an insightful endeavor or not. Superb Lumens, XLM, is the neighborhood cryptographic cache of Stellar, a blockchain stage that allows the exchanging of electronic officially sanctioned cash. It is an altcoin advanced money traded under the picture XLM on trading exchanges. Eminent Lumens, XLM, was first introduced in the year 2022, and from there on out, it has been in the summary of top 20 computerized monetary standards, as per the latest investigation report of September 2020. Magnificent Lumens, XLM, is the coin that is used on the Stellar Network's blockchain stage. As of now, the XLM cost is generally $0.2082. In this way, any leftover altcoins, even Stellar Lumens, XLM, one side partake in their own advantages, for instance, fast, quick, speedy, cost-fruitful, easy cash exchange, actually open decentralized stage, fully transparent structure, seamless trade possible, etc. On the contrary side, it has its own hindrances as well. For instance, mining is crazy as it doesn't use the proof of work system, not by and large recognized as a portion strategy. Heavenly Past Price Analysis. According to the latest data amassed, the current expense of Stellar is 24 cents, and XLM is correct now situated in the entire crypto climate. The scattering supply of Stellar is 24,722,220,966 with a market cap of $5,826,474,354. With a development in its trading volume and market cap, Stellar's expense has shown a good augmentation of 5.01% at this point. From the latest 7 days, the XLM was in an extraordinary vertical example and extended by 12.15%. Brilliant has shown very astounding capability of late, and this could be good an entryway to make a plunge and contribute. Anyway, in the wake of differentiating this expense and late days expense history, it is seen that Stellar has extended 14.587% in its worth. The ordinary smallest expense for the month is 19 cents, while the most outrageous typical expense was 20 cents. This surmises that this coin is a sensible asset and one more extension to your game plan of coins for the long stretch. The 90 days cost change is close 27.24%, and the expense flowed from a base ordinary expense of 30 cents to the best typical expense of 33 cents in the past 90 days. Superb is someplace close 35.24% with the best ordinary expense of the coin being around 36 cents, and the base typical expense of was around 34 cents past 4 months. Heavenly, XLM, price prediction forecast for 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025 and 2030. We expect future Stellar expense assumptions XLM guess by applying significant man-made cognizance, help specific analysis of the past worth data of Stellar. We give a fearless work to accumulate the most outrageous certain data for the XLM coin, which integrate different limits like past expense, Stellar market cap, Stellar volume and relatively few more. In case you are expecting to place assets into cutting-edge advanced monetary standards and need extraordinary benefit from your endeavors, attempt to scrutinize our estimates. Heavenly Price Prediction 2022. According to our significant particular assessment on past worth data of XLM, in 2022, the expense of Stellar is expected to reach essentially level of 25 cents. The XLM cost can show up at a biggest level of 29 cents, with the ordinary trading cost of 26 cents. Heavenly Price Prediction 2023. The expense of Stellar is expected to arrive at basically a level of 37 cents in 2023. The Stellar expense can show up at the best level of 44 cents, with a typical expense of 38 cents, all through 2023. Heavenly Price Prediction for 2024 to 2025. As per the guess cost and concentrated assessment, in 2024 the expense of Stellar is expected to reach basically level of 53 cents. The XLM cost can show up at the best level of 62 cents, with the ordinary trading cost of 55 cents. The expense of one Stellar should arrive at essentially a level of 74 cents in 2025. The XLM cost can show up at the best level of 92 cents, with the ordinary expense of 76 cents, all through 2025. Heavenly Price Prediction 2026. Brilliant expense is measured to show up essentially a possible level of $1.10 in 2026. As indicated by our revelations, the XLM cost could show up at the most outrageous possible level of $1.31, with the ordinary figure cost of $1.13. Heavenly Price Prediction 2027. As shown by our significant specific examination of past worth data of XLM, in 2027, the expense of not entirely settled to be at around a base worth of $1.60. The Stellar worth can show up at a restriction of $1.92, with a typical trade worth of $1.65 in United States dollars. Heavenly Price Prediction 2028. The expense of Stellar is expected to reach in any event worth $2.22 in 2028. The Stellar expense could show up at the best worth of $2.81, with the ordinary trading cost of $2.30 all through 2028. Heavenly Price Prediction Forecast 2029. As per the measure and concentrated examination, in 2029 the expense of Stellar should arrive at basically a worth of $3.31. The XLM cost can show up at the best worth of $3.89, with a typical worth of $3.41. Heavenly Price Prediction 2030.